Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, currently the Australian dollar is trading above the 71 cent handle just after rallying to an overnight percentage of 0.68 and so far has managed to post a high of 71.21 in New York. With the close settling around 71 cents, it is at this stage expected to see the bulls eventually lose confidence and any rally towards a region of 71.55.65 still seen as a sell opportunity. It is assessed that the US dollar's strength overnight and posting a 10-week high of 96.78, which was near enough the objective of 96.85, the highs in August, could see weakness return to the Australian dollar and look back towards the region of 70.45, and the objective still at this stage after recently being stabbed on Friday at 70.20. Overall, I'm still bearish and I still expect to see the market fail above 71 cents. We are now pretty much close to the objective of 112.95 and at this stage could see a possible break. Now, if we do see a move sub 112.95, this will expose the region of 111.60, which I am anticipating. If we clear the resistance in the dollar index at 96.85, then this would expose the region of 97.5 to 98, and therefore could potentially put extra pressure on the market. And as you can see from a technical point, the ADX is still trending, with the downtrend holding at around 114.5, and also with the technical implications still poses a threat, as I say, to the downside. What it would see in this time that the bulls are back in control as they recapture the helm and navigate through the 113 level. It is assessed the market will look towards the region of 113.65 with immediate resistance at 25. I am a little bit cautious of this call because over the past we have seen very many times a failed attempt with dollar yen. It's not one of my favourites, but nevertheless the break overnight has given us a little bit more confidence as the MACD now moves through 0 and also the RSI look back of 3 is broken through the midway point of 50. Therefore gives us a little bit more confirmation into the marriage of these two indicators and see a further rise. I reassessed from 113.60 and support on the day at 112.55. Well, my view for the pound is nearly coming to a close. The target of 126.40.70 has nearly been claimed with the overnight low of 126.95. It is assessed that the further headaches out of Brexit will continue, and we still have tomorrow the Super Thursday with the inflation report as well as the Bank of England rate decision. It is widely expected that the Bank of England will leave rates unchanged, with the MPC holds a vote of 9-0, and then therefore could see what the statement may give us as possibly a slightly hawkish. So just be careful if you are trading from a short side in case we see a snap to the upside, because my objective has nearly been achieved, and this sell-off that's been falling since 132.5 over the last 4 weeks, it may be coming to an end soon. So just be very on your guard. If you are short and continue the low, you'll stop losses accordingly to your risk management. As I feared, the gold is losing a little bit more of its bullishness after taking out the level of 1,222, now exposes a break level that was 1,212.14, once resistance, now support. It is assessed the bulls should return from this region, and I do expect to see a slight rebound. So do be careful if you are trading from the long side. If we don't get a bounce, and a break of 12 would expose the region back to 1,190 to 95. And running up with oil, well, the market nearly got to its objective overnight of $64 a barrel. With the weakness continuing, the market's now posted a 2.5-month low of 65.35. Nevertheless, the pattern is still holding pretty much to a downtrend, as you can see here. Should eventually see the target reach at $64 a barrel, reassess from there. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.